what's up? My name is Trenton Sadler from Danville, Virginia. I've just been endorsed by Collision Drumsticks. I use the Collision 5As, the custom brand, and I also use the Collision 5ARs, extra length. The thing I like about Collision is the durability of their sticks. Collision is one of the only drumsticks that you can get that also advertises your own brand or your own name. I've been playing drums since I was about 3. I'm the recording drummer for the Anointed Men of Power, and also I play with a band called Covenant, and mostly I'm an independent artist. So like I said, Collision has always been, since I've been using them, the durability, the longevity, and just the way they feel in your hands, the bounce, the reach, is all that it is, you know. But I'm gonna play this quick song for y'all. It's entitled "Your Great Name" by Todd Delaney.